Hi, my loved viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what are the Python operators and their explanation. First of all, we have to know the operators. That means the definition of operators in Python. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and value. Here I have 7 kinds of operators in Python programming language, which is this: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership, as well as the bitwise operator. Here first we will see the Python arithmetic operators. That means how many arithmetic operators in Python language. See, in coding section, that means the practical, we will do the practice sections. Let's go for the practice. The first thing, Python arithmetic operators. So how many have? There have some 7, hopefully 7 kinds of. What the first? Addition. First of all, addition. If variable x and y, and if we add, that means addition, then it will run its add. 4 plus 4. If we add, then it will give the result 8. Then subtraction. Also the same. It is the, if we subtract this, then we will get the 1 result. Next, multiplication. X carry 2 value, y carry 3 value. Let's do the multiplication. See, the print x into y. We will get the 6 value. Then the division. Here x also carry 11, y carry 5. So if we divide, then it will show the 2.2. 11 divided 5, then we'll get the result. The modulus. Here, if we suppose that x is 7, y is 2, then print, if we give the sign modulus sign, then we'll get the 1. See, it will print it 1. The exponential. What is the exponential? Exponential is a mathematical operation that involves raising a base number to the power of an exponent. Exponent. What is that? Here x double add, that means sorry, not double add, x print x multiplication, double multiplication, that means the base x, and the power is hold y. So y carry 4 and x carry 3. So x to the power 4, y means 4. Here I have 3, this 3, this 3, and the multiplication, that means the power 4. Here is the 4, that means 3 will carry or hold, that is the 4. 3. Then we will multiplication, that means the exponential is 81. Then the floor division. What is the definition of floor division? Floor division is performed using the double forward slash operator. It returns the largest integer. What? It returns the largest integer that is less than or equal to the result of the division. That means largest 7, 15. If we divide it, obviously they have division, that means divided y, then 7. Follow the definition. What? It returns the largest integer, that means 7 point something, that the result will give the 7. Now the next thing is Python assignment operator. What is the definition of assignment operator? Assignment operators are used to assign value to variables. They combine the assignment operation with another operation such as addition or subtraction. These operators provide a concise way to update the value of a variable based on its current value and the result of the specific operations. What is that? If we give the x variable, it's carry 8, then print will this. And also assignment, we assign addition, right? So it will show the first addition, that means 9 plus equal 3, that means 9, 10, 11, 12. The result will given 12. Then subtraction. What's that? 10 minus, that means the subtract 3. Then we'll get the 7 value. The addition, the subtraction or addition sign is here, that we already assign what we want to do, either subtraction or addition or multiplication or divided, something like that. What we want to do, then we have to assign. That is called the assign operator. In this way, multiplication, division, modulus, as well as the floor division, also the exponent. Go the and bitwise AND operation. Here is the x is equal to 5, x AND operator is equal to 3. Then it is a bitwise AND operation is represented by the things, and 5 binary number 101 and the 3 binary number 011. It reveals the 001, which is AND operation, and the result will be printed 1. Then next to the OR operation, that means the bitwise OR operations. 5 also binary this, and 3 binary this, and the binary operations reveals the 111, which is converted to the decimal value 7. That's why it reveals the printed value is 7. Then as well as the XOR operations, which reveals if we do the XOR operation or also the assigning operator, then it reveals the 6. As well as in this way, the right shift operations is reveals 0, as well as the left shift operations is represented by the this operator, this sign, left sign operator, and the result value 40. Now the part of these things is comparison operators in Python. What is actually this? X carry 5, y carry 3. If we print this, x is double equal y. Is it true or false? Obviously the value is different, that's why it reveal false. Then x is not equal y. Is it really true? Yeah, this is not equal, that's why it print true. Next is y is greater than x is greater than y. Is it true? X is 5 and y is 3. Obviously it is true. Then the next, x is less than y. It is false. Next, print x first greater than equal. So first condition we apply. We have to reveal that, or we know this is a greater sign. First it will publish that 5 is greater or not. It true. That's why it given true value. Then again 5 is less than, is when it reveals the less than, then false. First it work as like if else condition, as like what. So this is the end of the first part. Now waiting for the next part. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.